Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M14, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, you need to install your new defaults. Then go into Devices Settings and scroll down to Access Apps. Then click on Choose Default Apps at the top and tap on one of those sections, in my case, Browser app. Now apply your new one by clicking on it and go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!